the world where idea matters the most, I've decided to combine two different styles. The first, how to develop your own taste, your own idea inside your brand. And the second, more lifestyle vlog, which is my first trip to Portugal, where I explored the ocean for the first time in my life. So, let's enjoy this one.
Ля. Mark Tsakhanovich is waiting.
Здравствуйте.
So we're in Lisbon, arrived like 30 minutes ago, and now we're going to our apartments here, and just we will enjoy the city, enjoy this evening in Portugal for the first time.
Pastel de nata here, Portuguese dessert.
Do not agree with this, please let us know.
We can't get an access to our apartment, so and my friend like 2 minutes ago broke a bottle of wine, of Portuguese wine, and he just broke it near our room, which is crazy.
So, what wait? It's a new one. It's a new our bottle, and
We cleaned everything up ourselves and left the space totally clean.
it's broke. And our room is here.
And the next morning I decided to start from my vision, what it is to build a taste.
A lot of business founders think taste is subjective. They think you either have it or you don't. They think it's about having a big budget and invest it. But it's not. Your creative vision can be developed. It's a life-term process where you can develop it constantly every single day. You know, it's like with process of learning new language or discovering new business idea, new business niche that you're gonna dive into, and you can just know something, but you can't know everything. And so here's the art we have, just constant learning and improving. So we've changed our plans a little bit, and now instead of walking in Lisbon, we decided to go to Nazaré by bus. It's a surf point in Portugal with a really amazing ocean view. So it would be my first time when I will see the ocean, and I will see this ocean with my friend Bogdan. Oh,
Hello. It's a base station named Nazaré.
Nazaré. We're in Nazaré now. Currently, we're going to the ocean, and for me, it's the first time when I will see the ocean. Yeah, we're going to the most beautiful spot here in Nazaré.
So how can you build a brand and tell stories about it?
So creating stories that get shared and figuring out what your audience wants to see in your brand. And while you're building your brand, your business, you can focus on one goal. You have two goals that you can focus. One of them is profit, where your primary goal is money and only your personal profit. And the second goal, it's like creativity and expression of your experience and expression of yourself. And with the first one, you're focusing on strategies, you're focusing on your profit and how you can make more money. With the second one, you're focusing on your identity, on your personality, and you're just figuring out how you can make the creative juice out of it, just sharing your experience and finding this one idea that could be a really great connection with your audience. So it's a creative direction, and making your brand really remarkable and building a trust with your audience. Where you build in trust,
you're building connection, and connection makes people buy from you and makes people engage with your brand and with you personally. It's just insane, you guys. Insane place. And yesterday I didn't even imagine that I will be here. I will be here in Nazaré in Portugal, watching the ocean in my real life. It was the best decision we could even make, is just going to Nazaré, in one of the most popular surfing spots in the entire world, and just beautiful place, and behold the ocean for the first time in my life. For me, it's just some kind of meditation, and what was really unpredictable in this trip, it's a storm that was waiting for us.
So fuck this camera, I decided to record it on my iPhone. Crazy. It's absolutely crazy.
And the next day, during the walk in Lisbon, I decided to talk about one idea: how to create a great content for a brand. The main secret of how to create a great content and create a great brand is create something that customers, your potential audience, will feel. And then they need to justify it in their mind and connect their emotions with their logic. When they really feel something about your brand, something really great, and then connect it with the logic that they needed. Then with this approach, you can really grow your brand and grow it to the next level and drive your sales. Even in the rainy day, I made a video with my vision on building a brand and a community. It wasn't perfect, but I tried everything to make it work. And what's more important too, it's just make people a part of the universe that you are building, which is your brand, which is your business. And with that, you can build a really great connection with your audience. With that connection, you can build trust to convert people to buy your product and engage with you. And you can just build a really great community, let's say a community cult in some way. And with this community cult, you just capturing this into your content, into your short form and long form content, to make other people believe that these people trust you, trust your brand, and how these people share your product, how they share your business, it's really important. Then I've headed to the airport with one final thought. Yeah, to be honest, the standard for success now is really so high. And if you know the essentials, you can hit 90% of businesses and you can grow your brand really so fast. I would say the most important for brand is to build a brand authority and a clear vision that brand will share with the audience. The most successful brands that we see in today's world either grow only with paid sources like Google Ads, Meta Ads, and other paid sources, whatever, you name it, or other brands that can grow completely organically. And even the third type of brands that combine these two, like paid sources and organic format, organic videos, can grow really, really fast. They are making absolute great vision in terms of their content strategies that they share on their socials, on YouTube, Instagram, and on TikTok, that audience will appreciate and start associate this brand with this idea that you want to show in your content strategy, in your everyday videos. And with this great content, we create this vision that grabs attention and makes us stop on our feet that we're scrolling every single day. Make people believe that your brand is a part of their everyday life. In this way, you can build a really standout and creative brand. And for finding creativity, I would completely recommend you to just travel to new places and very beautiful places that can inspire you. Just try to look on YouTube or on Pinterest, really great places in this world, and just travel with your friends, travel with people that you love. And if, let's say, you can travel alone, it's a great way to understand more yourself. What do you want and what do you want to implement in your brand? It was really great trip to Portugal, to Lisbon and to Nazaré. And to Nazaré, this trip was completely unpredictable to me in terms of our plans. We just, my friend and I, we wanted to explore Lisbon, not like Nazaré and Portugal, but
this idea that came to us yesterday's morning. So we decided just to go, experience really something new, something really great.
Maybe it wasn't the best episode, but I've tried everything to make it work. This video idea came to me when I was in Poland and I was thinking about this trip, and I thought for a moment that it could be a great way to explain about a brand, my own vision, and share my own lifestyle with you. In the end, thank you for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you in the next video.